To receive constant, actionable tips to help you improve your quality of life, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then tap the bell icon to be the first to watch our new videos. Friendship is an integral part of living because humans are wired to crave relationships and attachments. The saying that no one is an island has never been truer as it is in 2018. In 2018, the world is more of a global village, and there are many benefits to gain from meaningful friendships. But the hard part is not knowing that you need friendships, but knowing how to make friends, especially in a time where social media has taken over real friendships. As an adult, making friends can be hard because once you're out of high school, it feels like the friendship pool is slowly drying up. Perhaps you've moved to a new city and need buddies to grab a bite with or go to the movies. Or maybe you've gotten a new job and want to make friends at your workplace. Fret not, because at the end of this video, you might just become a pro at making and keeping new friends. Now, here are 5 ways to make friends in 2018. Put yourself out there. When you sit alone and close yourself off, you're telling everyone to stay away from me. But if you want to make friends, you should be ready to put yourself out there. At work, approach people, say hi, smile at them, and genuinely ask about their well-being. When out on a mission to make friends, have good manners. A simple smile when you pass by people makes you seem friendly. Make eye contact when you talk to them. Don't look down and don't look squishy, but be confident and give off good vibes. Find places to meet new people. You're very unlikely to make new friends if you stay home with your laptop, because people don't come knocking on your door for fun. Go out to places such as cafes, restaurants, or sports parks. Also join clubs and organizations. You can find clubs that share common interests with you if you're looking to meet like-minded people. Go to events alone. Events are great places to meet people, but if you show up with a significant other or an old friend, your chances of making new friends are pretty slim. So if you want to make new friends, go to events alone and speak to some strangers there. You might just find something in common. Say yes often. Perhaps the reason you're not making new friends is because you turn down offers to socialize. So, the next time you're invited out to lunch or coffee, just say yes. The more time you spend with people, the closer you get to them. Show up for people. People always remember those who stand up for them and care about their problems. It is why a big secret to making friends is just showing up for people in their time of need. Remember, a friend in need is a friend indeed. Have any questions or thoughts on making new friends? Share them with us in the comments below. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends. For more hacks and advice on living a purposeful life, subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.